Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Have you had those days where you want to have some cake but you don't want to spend the whole day baking? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Our 30-minute layer cake can be made from scratch to finish in 30 minutes. No oven needed. So, let's begin. We will make the ganache filling first. In a heat-proof bowl, take 250 grams of chocolate chips and 150 grams of heavy cream. Microwave it for 45 seconds to 1 minute and stir well. Your ganache is ready. Refrigerate it for later use. Now in another bowl, take half cup of sugar and 1 cup of hot water. Stir well. Microwave this for 2 minutes till it starts to boil. Take it out carefully and make sure not to hurt yourself because the bowl will be hot. Add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder and mix well. Set aside and let it cool. This is our soaking liquid. And now for the cake. In a large microwave-safe bowl, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coffee powder and mix well. Next add 1 cup of milk, half cup oil, 2 eggs and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it a final mix. We are going to bake the cake in the same bowl, so clean the sides of the bowl well. Time will vary depending on the power of your microwave. Microwave it for 7 to 8 minutes until it's cooked through and a toothpick comes clean when poked in the center. When you microwave, you will see the batter rise and dome and then it will start to settle. That's when you know the cake is done. The cake will also come off the edges. Use a spatula and push the cake gently to the middle to release it completely. Then put a cake board over the bowl and tip the cake onto the board. Do this while the cake is still hot. I cut the cake into 3 layers. This way it cools faster. But if you want to wait till the cake cools down a bit more, you can do that too. Now take the chocolate ganache from the fridge and whisk it till it forms stiff peaks. Now the heavy cream. I'm going to make 3 different colors of heavy cream. 1 pink, 1 light pink and white. Take 1 cup of cream. Add 3 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk till it forms soft peaks. I have reserved half the cream into another bowl to color it a dark shade of pink. The rest of the cream, I am going to color it a light shade of pink and I'm going to whisk it till it forms stiff peaks. Set aside. I have made white color whipped cream as well. Refrigerate the whipped cream while we assemble the cake. We are going to assemble the cake. We are going to start with the biggest layer and go up to the smallest layer. Take the biggest layer of cake. Soak it evenly with the soaking liquid we made. Then take a little bit of the ganache and spread it evenly. I had some strawberry preserves that I had made from before. I used that in the cake as well. You can use any preserve or jam you have at home, but it's completely optional. Then put the next layer of cake and repeat. Soaking liquid, ganache, strawberry preserve, and then the final layer. Once all the layers are done, soak the outside of the cake and use the rest of the ganache to crumb coat the outside as well. Use the prepared heavy cream and pipe florets starting from the bottom to the top, with the dark colors at the bottom and the white on top. Your cake is ready. You have made a delicious layered cake in 30 minutes. Your family will love it. This cake serves a minimum of 8 people. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Lots of prayers and love from our family to yours. Until next time, happy cooking.